The Sentinel 100X is a compact 9-foot, 6-inch kayak built for the recreational paddler looking for stability and a comfortable seating system with a total weight capacity of 275 pounds. This kayak offers molded footrests, which make it easy to change your foot position as you paddle along and makes it super easy for different friends or family to jump in and go. An anti-slip carpet provides a soft place for your feet and is a great spot to put your furry friends. Our new Ergo Lounge seating system provides an extra thick cushioning and an adjustable extra high and wide backrest. For a compact kayak, it offers a lot of storage space. There's a front storage platform and a spacious rear tank well, both equipped with bungee cords. The Sentinel 100X comes with our new ExoShell 13-liter removable storage compartment, the perfect accessory that allows you to pack your gear at home for quick loading once you get waterside. There is a quick access hatch located near the base of the case that you can reach while paddling. The Sentinel 100X also comes equipped with a molded-in bottle holder, 2 paddle tie-downs, and convenient carry handles. The Sentinel 100X is made with our patented Ram X material, an exceptionally durable, triple-layer, high molecular weight polyethylene, which creates a strong yet conveniently lightweight kayak that comes with a limited lifetime warranty on both the deck and hull. Weighing only 42 pounds makes this kayak easy to carry and store. During manufacturing, we add additional flotation in the form of foam blocks inside the kayak to ensure paddler safety. Made for those who want to bring along their furry companions or are just looking for a comfortable, easy-to-use sit-on top, the Sentinel 100X will help you create the stories you want to live.
Cruise, explore, and fish with kayaking's most well-rounded performer, the Pescador. The Pescador series of sit-on-top kayaks are designed to be the best all-around boats for the money. Unmatched comfort, stability, speed, and straight tracking performance make it fun for even new paddlers to explore lakes, ponds, and flatwater rivers. Ready to fish right out of the box, the Pescador is loaded with features. Molded-in rod and cup holders are standard, and multiple gear tracks and a solo mount recess make it easy to customize, with accessories like cameras and fishing rod holders. A covered oval hinged hatch allows for extra dry cargo and ease of access, and a larger tank well is sure to fit popular fishing crate sizes, giving you more comfort for your money. The Pescador seat outperforms comparable models with thick ergonomic padding and an adjustable seat back for personalized support. Rugged and low maintenance, the Pescador features Perception's legendary one-piece roto-molded high-tech polymer construction for superior UV, impact, and abrasion resistance. Proudly designed, molded, and hand-assembled in the USA and available in a variety of colors, the Pescador is a great choice for all-around comfort and performance.
The Journey Series sit-on-top fishing kayaks have everything an angler needs for a relaxing day on the water. The hull design provides maximum stability and performance. The Dolphin Journey is ideal for lakes, rivers, and streams. Lightweight and easy to carry, the Journey will get you to your favorite fishing spot. Available in both 10 and 12-foot models, the Journey offers many features and benefits to enhance your fishing experience, including protective thigh pads for your total convenience. Paddle holder keeps paddles secured to kayak. Adjustable padded seat for your paddling comfort. Swivel rod holder conveniently located and locks fishing rod in place. 2 flush mount holders for when you want multiple fishing rods. Adjustable foot braces to accommodate all paddlers. Storage compartment with shock cord deck rigging for all your extra fishing gear. Removable portable accessory carrier for extra storage. Spacious storage area with shock cord deck rigging gives ample room for your accessories. Easy access compartment for smaller belongings. Retractable carrying handles for ease of transportation. Large open cockpit allows the easiest of entry. Made from durable, dent-resistant, high-density polyethylene that will last for many years and comes with a limited lifetime warranty for peace of mind. With all these exceptional features, the Journey Series kayaks offer great performance and versatility. The Journey Sit on Top fishing kayaks are durable, stable, and ideal for your next fishing adventure.